Hello and welcome to another tutorial video about Tasktopus freelance micro job marketing website. In the previous video, we have learned how to register account in Tasktopus website, and in today's video, we will learn how to set up your profile in Tasktopus website. For this, first of all, you have to log into your Tasktopus account. After that, click on the profile option on the left sidebar of your account dashboard. In this way, the profile page of your Tasktopus account will open on the screen of your device. We have added some details at the time of account registration, which you can see written in the profile. There are only a few things left that we will add in this video. In the state box, you have to write your state name, and in this city box, you have to write the name of the city where you are living right now. Here is the zip code box. In this, you will enter the zip code or postal code of your area. After that, the last one is the address box where you have to write your address. After adding all these details, as soon as you click on the update profile button, your profile settings will be saved. A profile image is required to complete the profile. The size of the image will be shown to you in your profile section. You must upload an image of this size. If the profile image is your own, it is good for getting a good rating. Alternatively, you can create an image using Canva. You will log into your Canva account and create the image as we have explained in this video. In Canva dashboard, at the right side upper corner, you get an option named Custom Size. Click on this option. In width box, write 236. In height box, write 260 and click on Create New Design button. This will open an image editing page. You can customize this image here. If you want to upload your own image or an image from your gallery, click on the upload button. Click on the upload files button. Now select any image from your device. I select the image and click open button. You can see that the image is being uploaded. You can use this image by dragging it, or you can select it by clicking on it. I don't want to use this whole image, so I crop it a bit, and then you can increase its size like this. It depends on you how much larger profile image you want. You will keep the size which you find suitable for your image and keep your image in the center. It will be good for image display in your Tasktopus profile. I just don't want to add anything else, so I will just click on this file option. The image has a default name, but I give it my Tasktopus username like this, and little below you will see download option like this. Click on it. Remember, the image must be in PNG or JPG formats only. As soon as you click on this download button, your image will be saved in your device. You will go back in your Tasktopus profile section and click on the upload profile picture button. Select the image you want to upload by clicking on the image. You can see that my profile picture has been uploaded. Simply click on the update profile button and your profile picture will be saved. With this, your Tasktopus website profile will be complete. Hope after watching this video, you will have no problem setting up your Tasktopus user account profile. In the next video, we will learn how to post jobs on Tasktopus freelance micro jobs website. Take good care of yourself. Goodbye.